This course is brought to you by AppyPie as part of our Academy series.
In this section of the course, which is the next few videos, I'm going to cover how to do YouTube marketing to promote your app. Now, one caveat, I get a lot of people who say, I've tried YouTube, it doesn't work, and then I look at what they tried, and they have one video, and it's like their mother and grandmother watched it, and nobody else watched it. So does that really mean that you tried YouTube? Not really. It just kind of means that the try wasn't good enough. It wasn't a professional try. And that's for most people. And then people try to get like download views on YouTube from Fiverr, from some kind of like fake users that have no idea if they want your app or not. And so in this section, I'm going to walk you through what a more or less professional or high quality amateur YouTube strategy, marketing strategy might look like, so that you can then replicate it and apply it to your apps, and it will get you downloads. Just a matter of how good you'll execute what I'm going to show you.